we're talking about adding winter wheat to a corn-soybean rotation. But that allows us to bring in double crop soybean after the winter wheat. And we're also planting a winter hardy cover crop after corn ahead of soybean, which is cereal rye. So when we put it all together, our soil is covered up with live roots 30 out of 36 months in the 3-year rotation, where in the 2-year rotation of just corn and soybean, it's only covered up for 10 months out of 24.
So the whole point of all of this is cover crops then, and to make sure that we don't lose any soil?
Yes, certainly the more we're covered up, we'll have less soil erosion with these more frequent heavy rain events that we've been having. But the diverse rotation bringing in winter wheat shows just how efficient winter wheat is at taking up both the fertilizer and any mineralized N that forms after soybean. And winter wheat shows that it brings the tile nitrate down, very much like cereal rye does. And winter wheat is then harvested, and if we can get it harvested by July 4th here in central Illinois, we can then get a double crop soybean planted, and that can be very profitable if that can make it all the way to maturity. Out here we're getting 80 bushel per acre soybean. That's full season, but double crop soybean can be 55 bushel per acre after a very nice wheat crop of, say, 100 bushel per acre.
And still, the economics when you do some double cropping is still very positive.
Very positive. In fact, if the double crop soybean can get 50 or 55 bushel per acre, that phase of the rotation, meaning the winter wheat and the double crop soybean, is more profitable than corn or soybean by itself.
So we've got cover crops to save soil. We've got enhanced fertility cycling in there.
Yes.
So are there any downsides to this?
It's probably more labor intensive, and you'd have to have more equipment and be on the ready. But the overall goal is that we've been monitoring the tile water for how much nitrate comes out, and the more diverse rotation with the cereal rye and the winter wheat and double crop soybean reduced tile nitrate by 50% over a 9-year period. And so that's how long we've been doing research out on this farm, is over the past 9 years, and that was our first paper that we published just this year, and we're pleased to get that out there, and now many more papers will follow.
That 50% reduction in tile nitrate probably would make EPA happy.
Yes, since the goal of the Illinois Nutrient Loss Reduction Strategy is to reduce our river loads by 45%. So we'd like to, we know the source of much of the nitrate in the tile or in the river water comes from tiles. So if we can do something in the field to keep nitrate from leaching. And so this more diverse rotation has living roots out there for 30 out of 36 months, and therefore nitrogen that mineralizes. So that nitrate that forms from the natural breakdown of soil organic matter during the non-growing season is vulnerable to leach to the tiles. And so the more we're covered up with living roots, the less of that mineralized N will escape the field.